Hello everyone, this is Bobby again from Linford Office, and today we're going to be talking about how to change your ink cartridges on your HP OfficeJet 8015E. The cartridges that you're going to need are either going to be the 910 regular or the 910 XL. I've purchased the 910 XL, that's the ones we're going to be using for this video, but either should work. Access to the ink cartridges is fairly straightforward. The first step is to open up this front white door. Next, we open up the cartridge door, this larger door on top, and if you push it all the way back, there should be a point where it stays there. Here you can see inside the printer where the cartridges are located. As you can see, we have 4 cartridges already installed. From the left to the right, we have the magenta, the cyan, the yellow, and then all the way on the right, we have the black. To remove the cartridge, simply press down on the lever that's located at the front of the cartridge. When you press down, you'll hear a click notifying that the cartridge has been loosened from the holder. Once you do that, you can go ahead and pull the cartridge out, and you can see it simply comes out of the printer. The next step is to prepare the new cartridges for installation into the printer. To remove the packaging from the cartridge, first pull down on the yellow strap here. And you're going to remove this plastic strap by lifting up from the bottom here. Be careful not to touch this gold plate over here. It should pop off just like that very easily. Once you do that, remove the plastic, and you can see that your cartridge is ready to go. Push the cartridge all the way to the back, and then from this side where the clip is, push down until you hear a click. That means that the cartridge has been installed correctly. Continue to do so for the rest of the cartridges. Make sure to match the cartridge correctly with the color that's labeled at the top. Let's do a test print to make sure cartridges are installed correctly. From the main menu, you're going to go to Settings, then you're going to go to Tools, and scroll down, and you'll see Print Quality Report. Everything looks right, and there's no smears, and the colors all look good. And that's it. Your OfficeJet is equipped with new cartridges, and you're ready to print. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos about how to improve life in the office and improve efficiency in the office, make sure to subscribe to Linford Office below. Take care.